Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we'll walk through how to write a financial support letter step by step. If you're reaching out to ask for help with education, medical bills, or a project, this guide will make sure your letter is clear, polite, and effective. Let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. The first part of your letter should include your contact details at the top. Write it like this: your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This makes it easy for the recipient to know who you are and how they can reach you. Double-check that everything is accurate, especially your email and phone number, so they can respond without delay. Step 2. Date. Next, write the date of the letter just below your contact information. For example, date, month, day, year. Including the date is important for documentation, especially if this is part of an official process. It helps to keep a clear timeline for when your request was made. Step 3. Recipient's information. Now add the recipient's details, whether it's a person or an organization. Here's the format: recipient's name/organization name, their address, city, state, zip code. This shows exactly who you're addressing. If you're unsure of their full name or title, double-check online or with their office. It adds a personal touch and makes the letter feel more thoughtful. Step 4. Subject line. After the recipient's information, include a subject line to make the purpose of your letter clear. It might look like this: Subject, request for financial support. A subject line makes your intent stand out right away. Keep it brief but specific to the reason for your request. Step 5. Greeting. Start your letter with a polite and respectful salutation, like "Dear recipient's name" or "to whom it may concern." If you know the recipient's name, always use it. A personalized greeting is more engaging and professional than a generic one. Step 6. Opening paragraph. The first paragraph introduces the reason for your letter. For example, "I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to kindly request financial support for specific purpose." This assistance will play a pivotal role in briefly explain the importance or urgency of the need. This sets the tone and provides a quick overview of your request. Be clear and concise about why you're asking for help. Step 7. Context paragraph. The second paragraph explains your situation in more detail. For instance, to provide some context, explain your situation briefly but with enough detail to create understanding. Despite my best efforts to highlight any steps you've taken to address the situation, I find myself needing additional support to ensure specific outcome. This helps the recipient understand your circumstances better. It also shows that you've tried to solve the issue yourself before seeking help, which adds credibility to your request. Step 8. Specific amount and usage. Now outline the financial details. Write it like this: the total amount I am seeking is specific amount or range, if applicable. This will list major categories of expenses. Any contribution you are able to make will go directly toward achieving goal or solution. Being transparent about the amount and how it will be used builds trust. It also helps the recipient see exactly where their support will make an impact. Step 9. Assurance paragraph. In the next section, assure the recipient of how their support will be appreciated and used responsibly. I want to assure you that your support will not go unnoticed. Explain how you plan to use the funds responsibly or outline steps you will take to honor the assistance. This reassures them that their contribution will have meaningful results and reinforces your gratitude. Step 10. Closing paragraph. Wrap up with a polite and encouraging close. For example, "Thank you for considering my request. Your generosity and understanding mean more than I can express. If you have any questions or need further details, please feel free to contact me at email address or phone number." This is a great way to leave the conversation open for further discussion or questions. Step 11. Signature. Finally, sign off with your name, like this: Sincerely, period. Your name. If you're sending a hard copy, leave space for your handwritten signature. For digital letters, your typed name works just fine. And that's it. Writing a financial support letter doesn't have to be overwhelming if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. See you soon.